We're forming a dictionary only by using the letters of the word Chambak. What will be the rank of this Kachambu, what all you want to call? Now, what we know is CHUMBAK. 7 things at 7 places can be arranged in 7 factorial, the value being 5040. Which will be the first letter in the dictionary? It will be A, B, C, then what we get is H, then K, then M. This will be the first one. That will be the first one, and the last will be last 5040. What we get is the reverse one, UMKHCBA. What we need is rank of KCHAMBU. Now what we know is just try to break it in simple ways, important question type, and not that tough one. First we will have all the letters that start with A. A being fixed, it can be anything later on. The remaining 6 things at 6 places can be arranged. Then we will have all the words starting with B. B being fixed, remaining 6 things at 6 places can be arranged. Now we'll have all the words starting with the letter C. Look, it can be anything after C. We are first going to talk. First will be like A, B, C, then B, C, all that. Starting with A, B, then C. Remaining 6 things at 6 places. Then what we'll be having is H. Starting with H, all the 7 lettered words, remaining 6 things. Now we start with K. We need to go only up to KC. So first we'll be getting is KA, K fix, A fix. Remaining 5 things at 5 places can be arranged in 5 factorial. Now we have got KB, 5 things at 5 places. K is fixed, B is fixed, because we need to go only up to KCH, 5 factorial. Now we start with KC, but we do not need all KC ones. We need only up to KCH. So first we'll be getting KCA, KCA. Remaining 4 things at 4 places can be arranged. Now we have got KCB, 4 things at 4 places. KCA is done, B is done. So now what we'll be getting is first itself will be KCH. We do not need, look, first of all, we do not need to take all KCH, remaining 4 things at 4 places. We need to go only up to AMBU. Now again, we do not need all these ones also KCHA, because we do not need all with A. So first we'll be getting KCHA, is already there. First we'll be having KCHAB, remaining 2 things, 2. Which all are these 2 ones? Which all are these 2 ones? KCHAB, MU, UM. Now what we have got is KCHA. What will be getting now? M. First we will get is BU. First itself will be BU. Then we will get UB. So this one. So what will be the rank? What will be the rank? We have got 720 words starting with A, 720 with B, 720 with C, 720 with this. So these we have got all these 4 ones, 2880, 724 times. Now we have got KA, KB, 122 times. What we have got is 240. Now we have started with KC, KCA, KCB, 24 and 24. What we have got? 48. Now KCA, KCB we have got. What we need is KCH, but first itself will get KCHA. We do not need all KCHA because we need to go only up to MBU. So first we'll be getting KCHAB, 2 things at 2 places, 2, and then we will be getting what we know is these 2 and this 1. So finally, what's the answer? The rank will be 8 and 2 and 1, 11, 1 carry, 17, 1 carry. The rank will be 3, 1, 7, 1. That's what will be the rank. Slightly lengthier one, but important question type.